Such is King Khan's passion for sports that he couldn't stop himself from playing even while romancing his heroines. His love for sports, however, had started much earlier. He was part of his school teams in football, cricket and hockey. In fact, he captained his school team in hockey. In cricket too, he did well, getting picked for the under-19 Indian team. But in the end, it wasn't the bat or the ball, but the camera that ruled SRK. And Shah Rukh's love for sports has passed on to his kids too. While his son loves football, it's taekwondo for his daughter. So it didn't come as a surprise when King Khan supported NDTV's Marks for Sports campaign too.
I personally feel that I would only give marks for sports. I think sports should be marked at the highest level in every education system around the world. I think sports to me is the most important aspect.
Prannoy, perhaps we could just talk a little bit about what the Toyota University Cricket Championship is actually going to be all about.
Well, I think it's exactly what Shah Rukh was saying, that it is to do what he did when he was young. Not everybody can quite achieve those levels, but to encourage that sportsmanship, I just it made a big difference to your life as well, being in sports.
I think, something, sorry, I forgot to thank people from Toyota. Thank you for participating in this. I just personally feel that, in every field of life that we finally choose to be in, whether we are going to be running a news channel or make cars or become politicians or become actors, I think the main thing that goads everyone on to go do better is appreciation. And if you take sports at a level where in colleges and schools and at lower levels, where, like Shashi Saab said, there used to be 2,000-3,000 people with lozenges screaming their lungs out, I think it's an amazing feeling for a youngster to understand that kind of appreciation. Not each one of them is going to represent the country. Not each one of them may play the IPL, not each one of them may make it to the state level either. But they understand the value of appreciation, live, the screams, the shouts, the fact that some of them are put up as heroes and heroines when they play sports. And, that kind of thing encourages you a lot. And that happens live only in sports. I know you do very well at chemistry. I don't think the whole classroom starts going, yo, go, do it. It's very good to do well in chemistry. It's fantastic to excel in math, but it never happens that the whole classroom is going rah, 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 bravo, bravo. Now, the first place that you see it in childhood is from gully cricket or gully football or gully badminton to the university level. And I think steps like this in every sport, inshallah, as you go along, I hope other people also take cue, other sponsors come on front. I'm a big believer that whatever part of job that kids are allowed or nurtured to grow into, it should be backed by great businesses. It should be backed by a lot of appreciation and eyeballs, like it is going to be now. The 8 teams that qualify for the finals in Rohinton Bharia tournament, they play the T20 kind of format of IPL, which will be covered like all IPL and other cricket matches are covered with great camera work and high speed and commentary. And please call me for. You and I should go and do a bit of commentary for one of the matches. And the awards are going to be there. I hear there's some prize money for the man of the series, man of the match. I think all this is going to make the youngster want to do well, not just in the sport part of it, just in life. So I think this is really, I'm extremely thrilled personally that something like this has happened.
And I want to show
To you, let's just remind our viewers, everyone who's watching this right now, what exactly is the TUCC going to be all about? Here's a quick look at the tournament. This is what it's going to be.
It was a time when the television had just come to India, when the late Pandit Ravi Shankar had big crowds. But over the last 2 decades, university cricket has been dying a slow death.
If you have a look at the cricketers that came through in the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, and even sometimes in the 90s, most of them came from the inter-school and inter-university arena. The inter-university cricket was very, very competitive.
The year 2013 is all set to see a revolution in the gentleman's game. This time, boys will provide cricketainment in a bid to revive university cricket. This is the advent of the Toyota University Cricket Championship,
where Sunil Gavaskar has played this intervarsity.
8 universities have qualified from 4 zones for the tournament. the Aligarh Muslim University and Jamia Millia Islamia University from the North Zone. From the West Zone, Mumbai University and Jivaji University, Gwalior. The underdogs, VBS Purvanchal University from Jaipur and APS Reva University, Jain University, Bangalore. NDTV, in partnership with the HRD Ministry, the BCCI and the Association of Indian Universities, is organising this tournament.
The way in which this tournament is structured tournaments within the university system, the best 8 teams of the league will start playing matches.
NDTV has been at the forefront when it comes to helping schools with the Support My School and Marks of Sports campaign.
So now from schools we're going to the university level and trying to support sports in universities through initially cricket and hockey.
The 8 teams will be divided into 2 groups each. The top 2 teams from both groups will enter the semi-finals. 3 matches later, you will know the champion of the inaugural University Cricket Championship. In a sense of what was to come.
We were really excited because इतनी खुशी हुई कि लगा कि अब हमारी बारी है.
Confidence भी देता है इस तरीके से कि अब हमारी बारी है.
It's time for the next generation to stake its claim, and the motto "Ab Hamari Bari Hai" says it all.
You enjoy punishment? You've had ups and downs and ups and emotional ups and like a roller coaster. Now again, this is going to be more emotional.
This is easy. I'm going to be the face and ambassador of this, so I don't have to worry. I'll root for each team. And again, on behalf of everyone, thank you, Raju sir. But I really feel that last 20 years while working as an actor, I started thinking only of what I do, and I had lost in a certain sense the feeling of losing, winning, wanting to win, losing but still not feeling like a loser. And IPL did help me a lot. Forget the commerce part of it, the hype and the controversies and everything, but it really has helped me. And forget me, I mean, I have little kids who have, I think, gotten more interested into valuing the struggle that you need to do in life and overcoming it, getting defeated, coming back, trying it again and again, all that because of this one small little thing that has come into their lives because of their father's interest in sports. And I hope this, and I think soccer, football, hockey, badminton, everything, I think if we are able to speak to all the universities, speak to colleges, wonderful sponsors like Coke, Toyota, everyone should come forward and make it extremely commercially viable, not in terms of payments for kids, but eyeballs for kids. When you have channels like yourself, I'm sure you're requesting other people to put it on board, shoot it beautifully. It feels really cool to be, well known. I think everybody wants to have that little fame, and I'm extremely thrilled this has started.
Well, Mr. Ballaraju, any final thoughts from you? One of the other things I think to just take off from what Shahrukh was saying is, it's interesting that a sport like cricket
being brought into university cricket, I think it's a very good thing.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Pranoy, the support of the BCCI and all the work that the BCCI has been doing together with the AIU and really encouraging university cricket, this will help and also shining a bit of a spotlight on that.
Yes, I think there's Professor Shetty there who's actually been associated with university cricket for years. He's been a really driving force. There's Arun Jaitley, Rajiv Shukla, many others who have really been part and parcel of university cricket. And they have just been great supporters of this initiative. I know it will take a lot to push this from to the highest levels in quality, but more important, as you were saying, it's the emotion. So if you have to talk to a parent of one kid that's going to be playing in this tournament, you'll understand the ups and downs they'll go through. The tension, terror, torture.
I actually wait for the day. I've been, मुझे सचमुच ये लगता है, and I like to tell all the kids, all the parents, more than that, I wait for the day, specifically in our country, in India, that children can come up and say, I want to be a professional sportsman. I think in the last 20, 25 years, I'm not in any which way taking away from the 100 years of Indian cinema. I think the last 25, 30 years, because of the advent of the technology, the kind of actors, the kind of filmmakers, story writers, the audience, I think a lot of people have started saying we'd like to be in media. when they see television channels, all that has changed. वो ज़माना चला गया जब लोग conventional jobs चाहते थे. आज कोई बोल सकता है कि I'd like to be a part of news, part of media, be an actor, be an actress. But I think we still haven't reached that stage in our country where a child comes home and says, you know what, I'm studying, I'm doing all right, good, bad, ugly, which would happen either way whether I played the sport or not, but I would like to be a professional sports person. I would like to make this my job. I think that's the most important thing.
All right, now before I quit up question answers, any final thoughts from anybody in Iran?
Well, it's our 25th year. NDTV is 25 years old this year. And for each one of those 25 years.
And here, who played Rohinton Bharia, won the captain of the winning team in Delhi University. Piyush. A few words from you here.
Can you just get a mic and then turn to the audience so let's just get a mic. And Amrit, of course, we're going to come to you too, who's really been instrumental in helping us get this all together. We're not going to allow you to escape.
For me, it's complete nostalgia. Going back to the days when it was not a couple of thousands of people, there were about 20,000 people that used to be there. And I'm very, very honored that Pranoy has chosen me to be a partner in advertising. And I'm thankful to this entire panel out there who are supporting something that
went through and represented India later on. I'm sure the same would happen with this initiative of NDTV. Thank you.
Can we now just throw it open to any questions that there are? Okay, the lady there, can we just get her a mic? They just pass the mic to her, please.
मेरा सवाल आपसे है जब आप क्रिकेट खेलते थे बचपन में आपकी फोटोज वगैरह काफी हैं वेबसाइट पे इंटरनेट पे मूंछों वाली फोटोज भी हैं आपकी तो उस वाकई को अगर आप कुछ बताना चाहें कि विकेट कीपिंग करते थे आप क्रिकेट खेलते थे इफ यू वांट टू शेयर सम अपने कॉलेज टाइम
हाँ मतलब अभी स्टैंडर्ड बहुत बदल गया है बहुत हाई हो गया है और बहुत बढ़िया है कि ऐसा हो गया but yeah I used to play for the school I was even picked up by Lala Amarnath ji used to go around looking for young talent तो उन्होंने मुझे नेशनल स्टेडियम में मैं इसके अलावा एक बात कहूँगा एक नेशनल स्टेडियम में 2 मील की एक रेस हुआ करती थी आर्मी ऑफिसर्स के साथ आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स स्टिल डन और नॉट एंड मैं वाकई इसलिए बताना चाह रहा हूँ ये नहीं कि मैं जीतता था या उसमें मैं भाग लेता था बट whenever you participated in it the 10 participants उनका न्यूज़पेपर के आखिरी पन्ने पे इतना सा नाम आता था और उस बात को 25 साल हो गए या ज़्यादा हो गया है मैं 8वीं 9वीं में था वो जो राइटअप है तब मार्कर भी नहीं होते थे हाइलाइटर्स भी नहीं होते थे मैंने अभी भी काट के रखे एंड दे यूज्ड टू मेक यू फील लाइक सच अ सेंस ऑफ अचीवमेंट क्योंकि जो स्पोर्ट्स की अचीवमेंट होती है वो एकदम अलग लेवल का हाई होता है आई मीन इट इज़ आई ऑल्सो फील इट टेक्स यू अवे फ्रॉम थिंग्स विच आर अननेचुरल टू गिव यू हाई आई थिंक इट्स वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट हाइज इन द वर्ल्ड और वो चीज़ इस यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल पे जब बच्चे आएंगे यंग पीपल जो शायद मैं जैसे कहा हो सकता है इंडिया के लिए ना खेलें हो सकता है IPL के लिए ना खेलें हो सकता है बड़ी बड़ी टूर्नामेंट्स ना खेलें स्टेट लेवल पे भी बट द फैक्ट दैट दे गॉट दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी will make them genuinely want to be winners and I think that is important that we are giving them this platform through NDTV and through all these wonderful sponsors everyone who's sitting here and genuinely ये एक ऐसा ड्राइव है जो मुझे ये नहीं लगता कि ये कोई socially अच्छा cause है I think it's an important cause for this country that youngsters are diverted their attention their energies their thoughts their beliefs towards sports it will be a better India if you do that I think
Did you ever have to, were you ever 12th man and you had to go and serve drinks and all that?
हाँ अभी पिछले 5 साल IPL में यही कर रहा हूँ मैं yeah I mean I only serve the drinks but yes I have been and मैंने गलत चिल्ला के आउट भी किया है मैन ऑफ द मैच भी मिला और उस वक्त जेन्युइनली जो मैन ऑफ द मैच होता था रीपेंटेड बॉल्स मिलती थी मतलब एक बैट तक नहीं मिलता था पैड अपना नहीं होता था कि एक रीपेंटेड होती थी वो दे वर रीडन अप बॉल्स तो वो मैन ऑफ द मैच मिलता था सो एंड और द poster or photograph of the Indian team which was going and representing India at the World Cup. These were the achievements that you had. And today times have changed, media has changed. So when you get a platform, this is that platform of getting that restructured ball again, I think. It is that platform of getting that big poster of the Indian team if you became the man of the match. And this really is, inshallah, going to do really great for all kind of sports in this country.
Right, the lady here.
I wanted to ask you a question that you said how you want somebody today to come up and say that, Mom, I want to become a professional sports person. But is there any words of encouragement you want to give the parents? Because personally, I know that parents do not agree to it, saying that, okay, you cannot make a career out of it, you should study it. Because then the students, they do not really want to go for this. So do you have any words of encouragement being a parent?
I personally believe, unless you can back it up with a job opportunity and a salary, parents will always be a little wary of sports as a profession. And they should be so. I mean, I don't think it's wrong for a parent to believe कि अरे कहाँ खेलोगे कहाँ कौन सा tournament खेलोगे क्या करोगे there's time. Just imagine if we take all the big sports in our country, hockey, football, cricket being commercially the most viable, out of 1 billion people, only 11 are going to get an opportunity once in 3 years to make it to the team. But when tournaments and options like this happen, sports schools will come up, people will know that there are enough kids in this country, with all due respect and love for the Olympic medals that we win once in a way. I think we are a country which requires many more sports, and we can do it, but there needs to be a backup plan for that and a grassroots level. So this is the grassroots level. The part of the job that will be offered, whether it's by the Indian team in various sports, I think, parents will have to be shown that there is a job opportunity, and things like this are the ones which are going to make parents believe, कहाँ खेलोगे? गली में खेलोगे? सड़क पे खेलोगे? पीछे क्या यार? खेलता ही रहता है, पढ़ता नहीं है. These are regular things that parents say. But I'm going for, now the Roynton Baria tournament, which is going to come on TV. Put the channel on, sit down, watch, and if I win, I'm going to win a prize too. And, maybe I'll be able to buy a nice car with the prize, or, a full machine of Coke. So I think it'll be very cool.
Mr. Kenny, do you think that a tournament like this will help answer the question that parents have? I'm going to go and play the Toyota University Cricket Championship.
We all have gone through those kind of challenges in our life. We would like to contribute to sports. We would like to encourage students, not only university students, but parents, to encourage their children to come up and play. And we as a corporate will see how we can help and support them.
Mr. Kenny?
That is, it's not just about winning, it's also participating in these sports that teaches a lot, and a lot of other characteristics that are useful for any job. So it's not just about looking for a job as a professional sports person, but the effort of participating in sports will prepare you for life.
All right, let me take... the gentleman here just had the mic, so let me give it to him, then I'll come to you.
But it's off.
Okay.
Okay, Shahrukh over here. Gaurav from News 24. Cricket is a sport बहुत commercially जिसे हम endorse करते हैं. हर कोई cricket को ही promote करता है. But there are a lot of other sports. जिसमें कई लोग हैं या कई youngsters हैं जो अपने आप को दिन रात उस चीज को लेकर मेहनत करते हैं. So, are you planning to endorse some of the other sports apart from cricket? Just like we have seen you tweeting about the football, the Bandra people who plays football in the ground. So, will we see you endorsing some of the other sports to give it a push or something?
Personally, if you ask me, I'm not genuinely not by choice, but somehow because of IPL, I have got associated with cricket, which is a wonderful thing. I think it's a great sport. It has given us platforms. Commercial. I'm a big speaker of sports as a commercial success, right? Because I want, like she asked, parents should know it can be a salaried job. It is great to be a sportsman and earn a living from it, and your kids will feel proud. But having said that, it's not out of choice that I actually would like to be the brand ambassador for any sport in this country, and not just because and I'll be honest, I'll genuinely be honest, I'm not being pompous, I'm not saying it because movie stars say it. I'm bloody good at sports. I love sports. I run fast. I think cricket is a fantastic game. Hockey is the best game. Field hockey is the best game in the world. I think football is the cheapest, most available, and the most beautiful sport in the world. I think badminton is fantastic because Deepika Padukone plays it. Prakash Padukone plays it. But jokes aside, I think any sport I would love to be in any which way, associated with it. Whenever I'm called upon to do so, I do it. I did a movie on hockey. I didn't have to, about women's hockey. I did it because I believe every sport is going to add value to the coming generation. And I would genuinely, whether I'm able to say that through my movies or not, the platform my movies has given me as an ambassador of certain caliber, I would like to utilize it maximum for sports, whichever the category is.
Okay, I'm told the principal of Jain College has a question.
I just want to introduce myself. I'm Dr. Ashok Wadia from Jain College Principal. I'm from Jain College and I'm very happy that NDTV has taken this kind of initiative with the Toronto and with the BCCI. What I want to say is here that we had cricketers like Sunil Gavaskar, Vengsarkar, Sandeep Patil. All of these cricketers had come from the university. But you will find that where actually the talent lies is in the university. Thank you very much for taking this initiative.
Okay, great, thanks.
Okay,
the lady there.
Yeah, Shahrukh, hi. Here, Selma from Zoom. Shahrukh, क्रिकेट मैच की बात हो रही है तो आईपीएल भी अभी बहुत जल्दी शुरू हो जाएंगे, तो क्या प्लान है इस बार आपके आईपीएल के? इस बार कुछ जर्सी कुछ नई होगी, आप टीम के साथ ट्रैवल करेंगे बिकॉज यू आर शूटिंग नॉन स्टॉप, तो क्या प्लान है इस बार?
मेरा टीम का एक प्लान होता है, जाओ मैच जीतो और आईपीएल चैंपियनशिप जीत के आओ, सिंपल।
Kolkata Knight Riders' biggest fan?
Actually, I will say it on this platform. Dr. Roy is the most staunch and the longest running Kolkata fan here.
Okay, the lady there. Can you just pass it? Give the mic to somebody else.
फुटबॉल लीग की भी कुछ शुरुआत कर रहे हैं आप, तो उसके बारे में भी कुछ शेयर कर दीजिए, फुटबॉल लीग्स।
हाँ, I think मैं अभी फिलहाल में दुबई में था और मैंने देखा वहाँ पे एक इंडोर फुटबॉल का कॉन्सेप्ट है, 5 a side. आई थिंक अच्छा हमारे यहाँ पे मैं मुंबई में मैंने नोट किया है, सिर्फ बांद्रा में लोग खेलते हैं, जैसा मैंने एक बार ट्वीट किया था, बांद्रा में खेलते हैं, हर जगह पे फील्ड्स नहीं है. आई थिंक दीज स्मॉल लिटिल थिंग्स, ये मुझको अभी ये प्लेटफॉर्म पे जो मैं आया हूँ आज, मुझको ये बहुत encourage कर रहा है to think of new things, that I'll take the initiative, go to all big corporates and say, should we start this also? हर जगह पर फुटबॉल तो, I mean, I always say this, one of the nations 20-25 years ago, we are the only nation which was on the threshold of development and don't have a good football team. All around the world, all the nations which were developing and are now developed or in the throes or at the threshold of development, everybody has a great football team because it's the cheapest, it's the most beautiful game to play. Just take a ball and kick it around, And I think all these sports should be encouraged. So I would in whatever capacity, I'm sorry, my main job is to act. So it takes about 12 hours in a day doing that. I don't get enough time, 18 actually, yeah. I don't get enough time, but whenever I'm called upon in any capacity, I would love to, even to play football really.
Okay, I'm afraid they only have time for 2 more questions. Let's give someone else a chance. Gentleman there. That gentleman there. That gentleman then you. But let him ask and you'll be asking next.
We've already seen the Shahrukh has already explained that how motivated he is toward promoting other sports. But what about sponsors like Toyota and Coca-Cola? If this tournament is extended to other sports and which are not commercially that successful, even as we see the recent tournament hockey, that this initiative can be taken to that level or to other sports.
Can I answer that? I'll try to explain to you the logic of this, then I'll give the mic. See, what happens is you need a platform for people to see it, like NDTV is. They are going now and asking somebody to put it on a sporting platform, some sports-oriented channel, which hopefully will happen in China. Then they've taken a brand ambassador who gives it a face like me. I may not play the sport as well, but I'm there. And then they've got the sponsors who really feel, and so honestly said, that it helps them have a connect with the youth. Of course, it is about the product, it's about the face, and it's about taking some socially relevant costs for a media house. But I think all these things need to keep on coming together for every sport. And I with all my understanding of this, and speaking to Dr. Roy and the whole team from NDTV, I don't think it's a hugely profit-making beginning, but I wish they make profit. so that they can extend it to another sport, which perhaps is not so profitable. I wish they make it bigger. I think we should not shirk away from the fact that this should be commercially viable, so that fund can be used for a more or less commercially viable sport at this point of time.
Other sports also you think would be of interest? I think, like Shahrukh said, it has to be the combined efforts of all stakeholders. We as a corporate cannot, take one sport as and just sponsor it. We got a very good proposal from NDTV and other stakeholders. We got motivated with that and we are supporting it. So if there's any proposal like that, which gives us a sense of opportunity to connect with the customer, we'll be very happy to do it.
The lady there at the mic.
Hi, I would actually first of all congratulations on what you're doing, and I would like to address this question in general to the panel. Are you by any chance trying to maybe extend this amazing opportunity to a women team also?
मैं तो यहाँ पे आया इसलिए ये तो ठीक है ये सब ये स्वेटी लड़के वड़के करते रहे जो कर
Extend this to women's teams.
Extend this to women team also and maybe
Okay,
commercialize
fine.
and
I
give
keep
them
saying
the
last question. This is whoever's got the mic. That lady out there, this is the last question. Just go the mic. This is the last question, I'm afraid.
Hello. Hi, Shahrukh. This question just goes to you, like when you played, and then when you did Chak De India, and now when today we stand in a day like this, what has been the changes for women's sports, like maybe women cricket or something like that? Like what changes have you experienced, and what do you feel like, how do women represent sports in India, and how is the future going to be?
I mean, if you're asking me, have I seen a change from that time? I haven't really. ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत ड्रास्टिक चेंज आई विश हो जाता, लेकिन फिल्मों से इतना चेंज नहीं आता, वो रिफ्लेक्ट करती हैं सोसाइटी को. आई थिंक नॉट एंड आई थिंक वी शोड द कंडीशन ऑफ वुमेन स्पोर्ट्स इन आवर कंट्री. समटाइम्स देयर आर इश्यूज विद not, I mean, I don't want to start a discussion on that at this point, but it is sad that there are situations like this, and 100%. मतलब मैं डॉक्टर रॉय को भी कहूँगा, जितने यहाँ पर लोग हैं, खुद को भी, and I mean, jokes apart, I really think it's more important for women to come up in front and play sport. I think we keep talking about women's rights and their protection and all the stuff that is happening around the country. I think one of the greatest moments for women would be, the greatest things to divert attention and energies to the right place would be to promote women's sports. And I'm sure Dr. Roy will further this.
I would like to say that everybody here is asking this question. This is just the beginning. We will invest in other university sports. We will make sure they come up. And if it takes 10 years, we will do it. This is not just cricket.
All right? That's great. Can I just get final thoughts perhaps from anybody who wants to make a final thought? Kanita, final thoughts? Pranoy, this has been really, I have to say, Pranoy, this has been your brainchild coming. You've been really pushing. What do you have to say to all the people who helped bring it together?
Well, I'd like to thank the Associate Indian University, Mr. Gurdeep Singh there.
मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है. आई थिंक जितने भी मीडिया के लोग हैं जो इसके बारे में बात करेंगे या आज आएंगे यहाँ पर, एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि हम लोग जो है एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू लेकर जल्दी से उसको उछालना शुरू करते हैं, बात करना शुरू करते हैं. प्लीज डू नॉट इन एनी विच वे थिंक कि ये सिर्फ क्रिकेट के लिए है इसलिए ठीक नहीं है. हमको ये बात बिलीव करनी चाहिए कि जो चीज़ चल रही है उसके माध्यम से उस स्पोर्ट को हम पॉपुलर करके दूसरी जगहों पर हम उसको ज़रूर यूज़ करें. इट्स अ सिंपल कमर्शियल लॉजिक. इट इन नो विच वे टेक्स अवे फ्रॉम द फैक्ट or demeans the status of any sport, which I can assure you, having spoken to all these gentlemen here and others, that सबके सब हर sport के लिए ऐसे ही आगे आएंगे, for women and for men. So please don't just take one aspect of it and say only for cricket.
एक सोलो वन सिंगल पिक्चर
सामने